What's up?
What's up, bro? Camping. Oh, look at that creepy one. Creepy. Those are big. Let's just go camp out there.
20 minutes out.
Woohoo.
The wood God's offering. Alright.
So we can just throw that. Not unless you want to camp here. It's a little breezy.
Yeah, definitely a little breezy.
Oh.
I know. It's cold down here. Alright. We decided to go with the last site we were at. That jacket's pretty warm, huh? I say either there or here. Just got the tent set up. Ready to go. Quick walk around. What's the name of this tent? The 12 by 12? Yeah. Yeah, the vestibule's not on yet. We'll be adding another piece on the front later on. Quick little update. Got the vestibule up now.
Vestibule?
How long do you think it is with the vestibule on it now? Doesn't it add like another 12 or something like that?
Yeah, at least another 9. Easily.
Staked off. You can even stake the roof off to a tree so that front lip lifts up. You can have a little porch area. We'll give a tent tour once it's set up. Time to get a fire going. Little night view.
Night vision.
You like night vision?
Started day 2. 10 a.m.
It's daytime so you can see our setup a little bit more.
Remember, kids, only you can stop forest fires.
Wood update.
Well, wouldn't you know?
Our little creation.
Stay warm and dry.
It's like a rain protector, keeps the heat in.
So much roof activity. Might be a little too high. But we might have to drop the ass end just a little bit, maybe.
Maybe. I mean, that's in reality, that's how it's supposed to be. The back end's supposed to be lower, and that front's supposed to be like that. That way, it's kind of like a chimney, but.
You know what I say is we'll back up the car.
Yeah. Got all 3 sides up now. It's gonna be cold, cold, cold.
No fire, no fire.
-2 degrees. Barely alive. If you're seeing this video, we're probably not gonna make it out here.
You're not gonna make it with that. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't, man.
Oh my God, what died?
It is snowing pretty good. That's cool.
I mean, there's some water. I'm gonna put it by the stove. Damn.
Where's the other one? That's the other one?
The other one's by the other wall right there, remember?
Oh, yeah. This one's like a block. Yeah. Yep. A nice solid block.
Nice. Do a little cooking. That's perfect out here. Definitely gets you out of the wind. Just cooking here from now on. It's cool.
Heats it up too.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't know. It's warmer in here than it is in the big
It
house.
really is.
Yeah, we just get a couple chairs and just hang out.
Change of plans. Decided to make a wind tunnel for the cold temperatures that are coming tonight. 11 degrees. So we're gonna add another tarp on this side, bring it out, and then if we have to add a third here, we will. Just coming straight off the vestibule. And we got the roof running to a couple trees now. See how it works. Well, we moved our tarps and we made a little wind tunnel thing, I guess, if you want to call it. A newest edition.
Wind barrier. Be able to sit on the vestibule.
So, little bird's eye, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. It's going to be 11 degrees. So the hopes are we're going to have our fire here, that this will pull all the heat in while we're sitting underneath the vestibule. And then we're going to lower this roof a little bit and attach it onto these tarps. And we'll see how it works.
Yee-hoo!
Got it. Got our fire set up in our wind tunnel. View from the inside as it's going.
I'm sitting there in my underwear and sweat or t-shirt. The forest that bordered a lake, pond, stream, the wetland is called riparian buffer zone. This zone supports vegetation essential for healthy aquatic ecosystems. Forested riparian areas provide shade to keep water temperatures cooler during the summer, prevent erosion by holding the soil on banks with their roots, furnish hiding places and protect pathways for wildlife coming to drink or feed, supply leaves and woody debris to streams and lakes, provides nutrients, shelter, and cover for aquatic life, provide recreational opportunities for fishing, nature study, and hunting. Bear! Beaver! Respect the river. That shit all froze last night. And the night before. Yeah, there's no way we could kayak up there. Not unless you got dry shoes on.
Yeah.
You go in, you're dead. Oh man, I wish we were like camping way out there. Right there in that little peninsula.
Try to go right between those two trees.
That's crazy.
How cool is that?
That's great.
Last night, finally got the fire working. We're gonna make it out of here! Civilization!
It's because this Polak over here didn't want to listen to me. It's still
I
going.
know, I seen it. I know.
I said push the wood to the back. He didn't want to listen. Oh, he's on vacation.